Welcome to Improvement Hub, your trusted space for personal growth. Today, we're diving into the topic of home workouts for muscle growth. We're breaking down 6 power-packed exercises, explaining why they're essential, demonstrating proper form, and guiding you through common pitfalls. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Number 1. Squats. Squats are touted as a universal exercise, and rightfully so. They primarily target your quads and glutes but also engage your hamstrings and calves. Not to forget, they serve to enhance your core strength and flexibility. To master the perfect squat technique, start by standing straight. Your feet should be hip-width apart. As you lower your body, imagine sitting back into an invisible chair. Your knees should align with your toes, not overshooting them. Now, push your body back up through your heels and return to the standing position. A little pro tip to remember: squeeze your glutes at the top for an extra burn. What's the most common pitfall when it comes to squats? Shallow squats. We often cheat ourselves by not going deep enough, but the real strength building lies in those few extra inches. So, next time, aim for below parallel squats. That means your hips should go below the knee level. Notice the difference as your strength improves with every set. Number 2. Push-ups. Push-ups are a staple in any workout routine. They primarily target your chest, triceps, and shoulders, but also engage your core and lower back muscles. Here's the breakdown for a successful push-up. Start in a high plank position. Your palms should be flat on the ground and directly under your shoulders. Lower your body until your chest brushes the floor. Now, push your body back up to the initial position. That's one successful push-up. But what's one common trap with push-ups? Arching the back. It's easy to lose focus and let your back sag or lift your glutes into the air. This not only lessens the impact on the targeted muscles but can also strain your back. Keep your core engaged and maintain a straight line from your head to heels throughout the push-up. Remember, it's always about the quality over quantity. Number 3. Lunges. Lunges are fantastic for building leg strength and improving balance. They primarily target your glutes and quads but also give a good workout to your hamstrings and calves. Plus, lunges can help improve your coordination and hip flexibility. Here's how to perform a lunge correctly. Stand straight with your shoulders relaxed and core engaged. Take a step forward with one foot. This is your starting position. Lower your body until both your front and back knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Push back up through your heels to the starting position and switch legs. What's the common lunge faux pas? Leaning forward. It's easy to lean into your front leg as you lunge, but when you do that, you're shifting the focus away from your glutes and more onto your quads, and putting unnecessary strain on your knees. So, always maintain an upright posture, keep your core tight, and your gaze straight ahead. Number 4. Plank. Planks are your go-to for an overall body workout, focusing especially on your core. They also help in improving your posture and balance. Here's how you perfect the plank. Start in a push-up position. Then rest your weight on your forearms with elbows aligned below your shoulders. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your feet. Engage your core and hold. Remember, it's not about how long you can hold a plank, but how well you can maintain the correct form. The common mistake with planks: sagging or hiking your hips. Make sure your body stays in that straight line. Keep your gaze relaxed and directed down to avoid neck strain. Number 5. Jumping jacks. These are full-body workouts that target your heart, lungs, and muscles simultaneously, improving cardiovascular fitness and endurance. The technique: stand straight with your feet together and hands by your sides. Jump your feet out to the sides as you raise your arms overhead, then jump back to the start. That's one rep. One common mistake during jumping jacks: sloppy arm and leg movements. Make sure to fully extend your arms and legs to get the maximum benefit. Number 6. Dips. Bar dips are a versatile bodyweight exercise that effectively works your triceps, shoulders, and chest. Here's how to perform bar dips. Position yourself on a dip bar or parallel bars, with a hand on each bar and your arms straight. Lean forward slightly and bend your knees. Lower your body by bending your arms until your elbows form a 90-degree angle. Then push back up to the start. One common mistake with bar dips: going too low. This can put unnecessary strain on your shoulders. Another common error is flaring out the elbows. Instead, keep them close to your body and ensure the lowering and lifting are controlled motions, focusing on the contraction and stretch of your muscles. As with other exercises, it's important to prioritize form over speed or the number of repetitions. As you embark on these exercises, remember to take your time, focus on your form, and connect with your body. Working out is a journey, not a destination, and the goal is to get a little stronger and healthier every day. That's all, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to Improvement Hub. Your support helps us grow and continue creating quality content. Thanks for watching.